aside from all the awesome qualities that this Jigsaw possesses, this right here, quick change, is worth buying this alone. I'm going to run you down through the things that I like about this. It's got a removable sole plate on here to help protect your wood surfaces. It pops on, pops off. Nothing too terribly fancy about that, but it also has the 45, 30-degree detents. You just pop the base loose with this lever here, and then you'll have to move it backwards or forward. It kind of locks in place, but you just set it to the angle that you want to set it at. Bump it forward. You can see you can adjust the blade angle with that little lever there that I just flipped on the side, just to help get your angle of attack on the pieces that you're cutting into and manage, any kind of tear out that you might end up with. You just lock it back in place. I put it back here to straight 90 degrees. Let's pop a battery on it. It's got a variable speed trigger on here. You can see here I'm just kind of throttling the speed with my finger. But in addition to that, it also has this light here to help you see. And on the back, you can see that there's a adjustment that you can actually slow it down or speed it up with that. And this may be arguably the best one on the market, so go out and grab one today.